It's another Fourth Art Saturday video hop organized by Meri Atelier. Please follow the description box below for the links to the other crafters and artists. This month's theme is create a caricature of an imaginary person. Your caricatures might be doodles, sketches, paint. Another suggestion might be to alter a picture to create a caricature. Don't be concerned about how realistic it is. Well, I'm going to take some artistic license and turn the theme around and make a character out of me rather than a caricature of an imaginary person. The inspiration for this project came when I was working on an ATC, and I always loved the slogan, "Let your inner child come out to play." And at this point in my life, that's kind of important since my childhood was so long ago. And then I thought on the other side, it would be fun to put a childish picture or something. I found this wonderful picture of a clown on a bench, and this is from pixabay.com. And as I'm thinking of this, I said, wouldn't it be fun if I could, since it's my ATC, put my face in the face in place of the clown's face. So the first iteration was this beautiful little card, which I love, but it is have the clown's face, and I'm saying that wouldn't it be fun if I used my face instead? I had a background of balloon. It's just a pretty little card. And this is what the prototype ended up as. Yes, this is me. And on the other side, let your inner child come out to play. So I thought I would make a character, not so much a caricature, of me in a completely different setting. Let me show you what I do. So the main tools I use are Microsoft Word and Adobe Premiere Elements and Photoshop. They're non-subscription. You buy the program. There's a pro version with a monthly subscription, but these three things are enough for me right now. So this is the workspace for Photoshop. It may look really confusing, and it has taken me a while to learn even the rudimentary things you can do with it. I'm getting better. It's been a couple of years, several years. And I don't use a lot of these controls, but I'm learning what each one does. So today what I'm going to try to do is just a demonstration, not a tutorial. Please don't get hung up on the details of all this. I just want to show what the program is capable of doing for really, really... First, I have to open a picture of the clown that I found. And for this, I'm going to zoom in. And I've learned that it's just Control plus zooms in. Make sure I have the select tool, the move tool. Otherwise, whoops. It's telling me that I need a new layer in order to do this, which I don't understand, but I just do what it tells me to do. Now here, this is where the magic happens. I'm able to take this tool, quick selection tool, and select things that are common. And you'll notice that it highlights this section, and I can erase that section. Here's another one, another one, until I get the face completely erased. And of course, if you make a mistake, you can go back and do an undo. It's very forgiving in that. I'm just getting rid of some of the extraneous marks. Now my goal now is to replace the clown's face with my face by superimposing, or whatever terms you want to use, this over the photo of my face. Now the photo bin down here shows you the files that I have open. Now I need to open a folder of picture of me. Scary! Not my best work, but this is just a demo. Now I have to put these two together. So what I do is create a new blank image, just like a blank slate, blank file, and I'm going to make it in inches. It said pixels first. Now how big do I want it? Now the card is 3.5 by 2.5. So let me try that. I'm going to try 3.5 inches for the width, 2.5 for the height, and we get a brand new workspace. Next, I move the picture of the clown onto the blank space. Now you can see this is all background. Let me make this bigger. Yeah. And actually, you can see, going back to the select tool, if I forget that, I'm not able to move the image or resize it. So I'm going to resize it to fit on the ATC card. And it allows me to make corrections. Very good that way. Let me zoom in now. Well, actually, let me go back now and get my picture, my face, and drag that onto the clown. Now, this is not the way we want it. There is, however, let me just check this for this time being. This is a good start. Now I have to line them up. And then what I can do is send my face, and I know it's my face that it's choosing, because I don't know whether you can see. Let me make it bigger. Can you see the boxes here? That tells me that the image of my face is being worked on, is being edited. Now I'm going to send it to the back. Bingo. Look at how easy that is. And I can move my face wherever I want. I can do this with a video in Adobe Premiere Elements. Now what I can do is save this, save as, whatever you'd like to name. I'm going to do an ATC front, and it's in the form of a print shop, a Photoshop format. So I now have to save it as, oh, you can't see down here, the screen's not in there, but save it as a JPEG. And I have, now my ATC cover is done. And it was that simple. Now it did take a little while for me to learn how to do this. Then I printed out on a, piece of cardstock, and then line up the cardstock for the back and cut it out. So that was my caricature project for June. And just to give you some insight into how I'm progressing with my video editing and videography, it's so much fun. And I'm learning so much and keeping up the best I can with technology. Well, I hope you had as much fun as I did. This is just a rudimentary explanation of how I'm learning to use Adobe. It's a fun product. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. Please follow the links to all of the artists who contributed to the hop. And if you feel inclined, please subscribe, please leave a comment, and please share this video. And as always, until next time, stay safe, stay smart, stay healthy, and do something today to make yourself smile. Bye for now.